Today is Spice's son 13th birthday, right? So today is Nicholas' birthday. Stick around and you will see the gift where Spice get for your son on his birthday coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
People, welcome back. So we all know that Spice is one of Dancehall's biggest super mom. We always see Spice with her son and her daughter. Whether or not you're a part of the Smurf gang, you know them by name. Everybody know Nicholas and Nicola Ty. Am I correct? Put in the comment section. Now today is Spice's son Nicholas' 13th birthday. And Spice, I'm going to make him feel special as usual, you know. So Spice and her daughter, they had a little plan and they plan and video it. So we have the video for show you. So I'm going to roll the video in a second so we can see it. All right, here goes.
Tata, you're such a good sport. She's excited like it's her birthday. Tata helped me did this a while ago. I'm so tired. And she not blown no shot at birthday. Fit that my daughter. But anyway, guys, as you know, it's Nicholas' birthday. That's his bedroom right there. And we just set this up so he can walk out and see his gifts. Can't wait to see his reaction. So this is what it looks like, guys. He's gonna be Matthew whisper. Anyway, I was whispering because that was his bedroom right there. We don't want him to hear, but this is what he's gonna walk out to. His whole setup. He's been asking me for a bag for 3 years.
That is true, like when he was 9.
But you know, I'm afraid. But
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Nicholas! We love you!
Now, Spice had a caption with that video as well. And the caption reads, "Just a single mother, always trying to make my kids happy. Grateful to be able to give them what I never had. Happy birthday again, my one son." And she tag him, right? So we're glad to see that. I like that, you know what I mean? It's expected anyway. We know the Spice are going to go all out for our children. We know when a back to school time, we see them get custom school bag and all these things. We see she take them shopping all the time, make them pick up what they want, them get them own card for like them own grocery and thing. Even though you know me, I follow in because, you know what I mean? Me follow up Spice a lot. You see me? Big up Spice and big up our kids them too. You see me? So we are going to move on to another post where Spice makes. A Spice posts a bunch of pictures. All these pictures on the screen, Spice posts them, right? Fanny, my baby come right up. So she made another post and she had another caption with that one. And on that post now, she say, "Here's a piece of my heart in human form. Please help me wish my one son," and she tag him again, "a happy birthday. I can't believe you're getting so big on me. Happy birthday, my baby. I love you so much, Nicholas. Thank you for changing my life and giving me a reason to work extremely hard. Hashtag single mother." So before I go any further, come like me never did say happy birthday to him. So let me take this time out and say happy birthday to Nicholas. You see me, I say big up yourself on your 13th birthday. I should have put that further up in the video still. But big up yourself. I would have like for asking if you send some birthday wishes to into comment section as well. Right? So we see Spice I go all out for your kids and we don't talk about that. We know say Spice always I go do that and you know I go stop yourself people. We know say this are forever. You know, we see videos where Spice and her kids them are ride and I talk about the future like when she a whole woman and all them something that what them I go do for her and you know what I mean? All these things. So them are part of the Spice brand, I would say, because that come with being a fan of Spice. If you're a fan of Spice and you watch Spice a lot, you're going to see our kids, you're going to know things about their kids, you're going to know, you know what I mean? For example, like the other day, our son passed exam and thing, you're going to know them kind of thing there. You see me? And we love every minute of it. Like to see that, you know what I mean? We like to see that. But anyway, now people, so make sure I'm go check out him father page also, and him father did post him also, right? So him father posted and he posted a video of look like them that play a video game or something. It's on the screen right now, and he had a caption with it, and his caption said, "Help me wish my son, my boss, my general, the only person in this world that I don't hide anything from, a happy birthday. He's 13 today. Time surely flies. The little boy who always wanted a neck ride is now a young man. but you'll always be my baby boy. I love you, son. World out end. Happy birthday. May God continue to bless and protect you. This is a cold world, but I teach you to stay warm. Love you. Happy birthday, my little big son. Happy birthday, Hamar. Happy birthday, Papi. Happy birthday, Nicholas. Hashtag my one son. Hashtag me still a win. And him tag him, right? So people, I'm glad for say, it's his birthday and him get what he wanted. Your mother said in the video that he wanted a bike over 3 years now. So I guess he's finally old enough to get a bike where she feel confident enough that him can ride it and not go hurt himself or whatever. So I know say he must feel good about that. I know when me was a kid and I get gift, you know what I mean, or especially a something where you want, you know them feeling there. Everyone I would know them feeling there. So I mean, I say at some point, even if you was a person where, you know what I mean, your family wasn't as fortunate as maybe as Spice them, when you get something must give that feeling there where he might get right now. You see me, I say, put in the comment section also. And don't forget to just send some wishes for him and bless him up on his birthday. Now we mentioned the bike, but the bike wasn't the only gift. Remember there was some gifts on the stairs. So Spice made some more videos and one of them, he might want one of the gifts. So I'm going to play that for now and then I'm going to show you a little after that they look like they went out and celebrating birthday. So I'm going to show you that too. But first let's look at Nicholas opening one of his gifts.
So yeah, Peep, reveal it because I want now.
This is the most expensive one. I'm not even joking.
How you know that? You gotta Google them. Eh?
What is that? Joking. This is the most expensive one.
How you know the prices? You never internet and look up to them. Happy birthday, baby. I'm gonna buy it just so you play a game. Remember the book work. Remember that part.
What is it though? It's on PC. Oh.
So just in case you know hear what I'm saying and you're wondering what that is, it's a supercomputer, like a gaming computer, So they're kind of different. It's a PC, yeah, but it's kind of different. It's specifically for like gaming or editing or whatever, you know what I mean? It's fast like that. So that's what that is. But like I said, they look like they went out afterwards. So I'm going to show you those clips also. So let us take a look at those clips.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicholas. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday, Majid.
Automatic. You ain't got to push it down at all.
Oh, that's them right here. Come.
All right, how do we...
One person tag Spice and say, "Dear Spice, I'm eligible for adoption. I can read at tertiary level, know how to tidy my room, and I don't give any trouble. Come adopt me, please. All legal documents already signed and awaits your signature." And Spice reply and say, "If y'all don't stop playing with me, try know it's not just expensive gifts I buy. I beat as fuck and strict without a doubt. So stay there," with a bunch of laughing emoji. So it's all fun, you know what I mean? I like to see that. And we're glad to say he might enjoy his birthday and him get what he want. We wish we see some of the other gifts them. But just the two, I would say we know what to expect or what the others are, right? Because we see him get a gaming computer. And people, you hear him say the most expensive one, it ain't no joke. Them, the computer, they're expensive. And we talk about just the computer brain alone. There's no screen with it. That part, they're expensive. You understand? And a little mini bike, them there. You can look them up online. You see what I say? If you don't want to see the prices. So Big up Nicholas one more time on his birthday. I wish him a happy birthday, you know what I mean? All heap of blessings, and I encourage you to do the same in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for making the thing work. Big up on yourself. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.